Welcome to a tutorial on invoices within the portal for Clark Simpson Miller boards. To access invoices after logging into the portal, you will go to the Board Actions drop-down menu and click the Invoices tab. Within the Invoices tab, a plethora of information is available to you. In the open portion of the tab, all invoices that have not yet been paid will show, regardless of their status. Under each column name is a search box that you can use to look for something in particular. By selecting the three dots next to any column name, you can hover over the Columns option and select or deselect columns you would like to view. Additionally, certain columns will have a filter option that allows you to drill down further with the information you are viewing. From the List view of invoices, you will see an Attach column that includes paperclip icons. Clicking the paperclip will open a pop-up that will show you all attachments associated with that invoice. Within the top portion of the pop-up is a drop-down that allows you to toggle between different attachments if there is more than one. Clicking the eyeball icon will bring you to a more detailed view for that individual invoice. Once the eyeball icon has been selected, you will be brought to a screen with a few different options to choose from. You can also view the attachments using the paperclip icon at the top of the screen, view GL information from the GL tab, or look at a list of recent invoices from the same service provider by selecting that option. This consolidates all invoices from that service provider into categorized information including invoice numbers, account number, status, attachments, invoice date, due date, pay amount, and invoice total. This allows you to quickly compare differences on invoices from the same vendor. Selecting the Messages tab will allow you to view the history for that invoice. This will show when the invoice was received, processed, approved, and paid with the amount and payment method. Within this tab, board members can also send messages by placing their cursor in the type A message box. From there, you can select who you would like to send the message to, mark it as normal or high importance, add attachments using the link in the lower right-hand corner, and send the message using the blue button. If your association utilizes the Board Invoice Approver role, invoices that need approval from that board member will show under the My Items tab. From there, the Board Invoice Approver can use the checkbox to mass approve invoices, followed by the Approve Selected Invoices button in the upper left-hand corner, or they can approve or decline individually using the three green dots on the far right. There is also an option to send a message from this screen. Clicking the eyeball icon will once again bring you to the more detailed view for the individual invoice. From the more detailed view, the Board Invoice Approver will have Approve and Decline buttons. If Approve is selected, a box will appear that shows Approve Invoice as the next step. The board member can include a note and then click the blue Update button. If Decline is selected, a box will appear showing Board Declined Invoice as the next step. It is required to leave a note within this box informing us of the reason for the denial, followed by clicking the blue Update button. Lastly, board members can access closed invoices from the closed portion of the Invoices tab. All of the information we have already discussed applies to this portion of the tab as well. If you have further questions or need more assistance, please let your community manager know. Thank you for joining us for this tutorial on invoices for board members within the portal.